Hi, my name is Tal Schechter. I work for FlixBus, which is the world's largest intercity bus provider. We are based in Berlin and Munich in Germany, and we use Caplena for understanding and analyzing the comments of our passengers in the survey that we send them after a ride. We needed a tool that could scale with us, dealing with many responses. So we have something like 600,000 open-ended responses in a year. So that's open-ended text. We are active in 40 countries, and we support responses in whatever languages the customers decide to give them in. So Caplena helps us by dealing with responses in the native language and making those translations available into English as we need them. But Caplena goes one step further and auto-categorizes and assigns the topic to all of these different responses. So we can see how often are passengers talking about driver behavior or punctuality or the cleanliness of the toilet, whether that's positive, negative, or neutral, without having to have someone sitting there reading all of those responses manually and trying to sort them, trying to figure out which sort of improvements we should make. Using Caplena also helps us to avoid bias, where if we had to hire someone to read all of these responses, they might say, oh, I've seen 3 of this type of response, so that must be happening all the time. Whereas Caplena is actually telling us how many of each different type of response we're getting and helps us understand which things we need to focus on. One additional really cool thing that Caplena does is we can weigh responses based on NPS or other quantitative identifiers in the survey. So we're able to see what sort of topics have an impact on NPS or on Likert scale, the rating from 1 to 5, these sorts of things. And that helps us to improve our operations.